Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Winnie Rogers here. Today I want to show you how to decorate a birthday party at home. Okay, and as you can see, I'll begin by draping. I'm using a white sheer curtain for this, and then I'll take my balloons. This is the simplest way of measuring your balloons. And then I'll take two of the same size. All of them will be of the same size, and as you can see, I'll tie them like that. And the next thing I'll do is to take these glue dots. By the way guys, most of you ask me about the glue that I use, and this is the glue that I use. It's called balloon glue, and also it's known as glue dots. And let me just show you how to put it on your balloons. Yes, so guys, if you're new, kindly subscribe down below so that you can belong to the family, so that I'll be able to notify you when I upload a new video, okay? So I'll just go there with this. This design is very simple. Anyone can do it. I'll now take my happy birthday banner, and for this I'm also going to use my glue dots to stick them on the wall. Okay, I'll take a ribbon through, and then I'll use the same glue dots. And for those people who ask me where to find the glue dots, these ones you can find them from any birthday item shop or wedding item shop. Yes, shops for wedding or for birthdays. Yes, that's where you can find them. And if they're in Kenya, then they're in most of the countries. Okay, so the next thing I'll do, I'll take this tissue paper. It's called a tissue paper, and I'm going to make a simple flower, as you can see. I've given you the measurement. That is the measurement for the small one. And then I'll give you again the measurement for the big one, because I'm using two sizes here. I have a small flower or small flowers and big flowers. So the method is the same for making them, but then the only thing that is different is the measurement. If you want to find these tissue papers, you can get them from the supermarkets, like mine I got from the supermarkets. But you can also find some from the same shops that I told you, the birthday item shops. But then for those people who can't find these tissue papers, then there's another simple way of making these flowers. You can use any fabric for these. The flower will come out nicely still, okay? So it's not a must that you use tissue papers alone. I think in my next video, I'll show you how to make these flowers using different materials, okay? So kindly subscribe so that you'll see that video. I'll make these flowers using different materials so that you can see how they will come out, okay? My flowers are now ready, and I'll use again the same glue dots to stick the flowers on the wall. And remember, glue dots are so nice. They don't stick on the wall. Like when you're removing the wall, they don't damage your paint, okay? So don't worry about that. Glue dots are the best, and also they're transparent. I'm almost done, guys. If you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up. Yeah, you can like it down below. Yeah, and also you can share it with family members or friends so that it can help them also, okay? And also, as I told you, you can also subscribe so that I'll notify you anytime I upload a new video, okay? So I'll use my small flowers also to stick on these balloons up here. I'm done, guys, and this is the outcome. I love it so much, guys. So you can just go ahead and copy this one and make your own. Enjoy your birthday. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful time. Bye bye.